Hey guys, it's Kevin heading into the trading week of August 10th through August 14th, 2015. Got my Bulls versus Bears outlook, and as you can see, got the Bears jersey on, I believe for the first time all year. Have to go back check the recordings for sure, but pretty sure this is the first time I've put a Bears jersey on this year. And I just want to be clear, I am a long-term bull, but these Bulls and Bears outlooks is about the short term. It's about the trading setup, and right now my outlook in the immediate term is bearish. I think the market looks exhausted. I'm not looking for a full-blown crash lower. I'm not one of these guys that's going to get up here and tell you the S&P is overvalued by 20% and we're going to see a huge move lower. But I will say that as long as we are now staying below 2090 to 2100 on the S&P, I'm looking for a test on 2040, which is the March lows, and if we get below 2040, I'm looking for a test on 2000 to 1970, which is our lows for the year. I think it is time to be bearish. I'm seeing too many signs that things are getting hit. Apple broke down last week. Strong names like Priceline and Amazon and Google are all under pressure, pressuring their earnings bases from a couple weeks ago, meaning that if you just take the price that was the low of the day from the day they gapped up on earnings, all three stocks are below those lows, and I think that's a sign of exhausted momentum. You look at a strong media stock like Disney, just got absolutely killed this past week, going from 122 to 108, and I just don't think that is action that is going to get unnoticed. Right now, you could look at it and say, hey, the market's holding up well in the face of all this drama, but I think what's going on in some of these bigger names is preceding downside to come elsewhere, and that's why I'm bearish on things, and that's why I think you look for a test on 2040 within the next couple of weeks while staying below 2090 to 2100. Get back above 2100 and I could see new all-time highs up towards 2130s, because that's what's kind of funny about this market. Even though I'm bearish, we're right up near the highs. So the risk to my bearish argument right here is that everybody's saying the same thing as me, right? So sentiment is pretty negative, I feel like. But then you go and you look at the VIX is only at 14. And in fact, I think it's even less. I think it's in the 13s or so. So you're not seeing a lot of that bearish sentiment show up in a ratio like the VIX. All right, so another way of saying it would be people aren't putting their money where their mouth is, per se. So I think you do see lower prices below 2090 to 2100. I'm bearish. Get back above 2100. We can bounce. Key support level to me, 2040. Support to keep an eye on above 2040 is 2058. That is last year's close on the S&P. 2058 is last year's close. If we start bouncing, look for the 2090 area to be a pivot, and then of course 2100. So good luck this week. Keep you posted.